Lazy cooking takes on a whole new meaning when you have the right kind of ingredients to play around with. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we take some fantastic sea bass and play around with some olives. Into a simmering hot cast iron, I'm going to add some olive oil, about 20 to 25 mils. Just go slightly overboard with the oil. And out here I've got the fish that's already marinated with some mustard paste, some salt, some pepper and some olive oil. We're just going to lightly sear this. Two minutes later, lightly flip them over and allow it to cook for another minute. Rest them in a plate on the side. Now don't be alarmed by all the gnarly bits at the base because that's what gives it its flavor. So into that goes about 8 cloves of garlic. Just allow it to nicely burnish and brown along with 6 whole green chilies. Just saute lightly. And now for the fun part, to deglaze with some white wine. I'm going nearly half a bottle, you can go up to a cup. Now scrape off all those gnarly bits at the base. Now at this stage goes about half a cup of green olives and about 2 tablespoons of some beautiful caperberries. After perfectly scraping all those gnarly bits at the base, it's time to gently slide the fish in. And even if it breaks, this is lazy cooking, so don't be alarmed at all. Season with a fine sprinkle of some sea salt and some freshly milled black pepper. It's time to switch off the flame now and allow the white wine to get into that fish and make it nice and boozy. Lastly, garnish with some curly parsley right on top. Now, though not a pretty sight, don't be alarmed or fooled. The flavor of the white wine and the olives does create some kind of magic in this. Best to be had either with some crusty bread or some boiled steamed noodles. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Lazy, laid-back cooking takes on a whole new meaning with this starry creation. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.